all the eminent dignitaries from the HR world and beyond the HR world who know the magnanimity of the corporate and who have lived the experience through their lifetime. Very, very warm welcome to everybody. Thank you for coming over on this Saturday. Also, welcome to all the PGDM students. This entire show is for you, and the kind of arrangements that you have made in the last 1 month or so for this conclave, this event is also by you. So, thank you for putting up this great show under the leadership of our Dean, Professor Vibhu Daman. We have been doing HR conclaves since 8 years now, since 2016 when I first took up management, and that's when we started doing. That was the first event we did, because we believe that the backbone of management studies and management of any corporate, the backbone is the human resources. Human resources is what make us, and human resources is also what breaks us. So an organization or an institution with effective and efficient human resources is what is going to prosper, and where the human resources are inefficient, lacking, or not integral, those are the institutions where hope is less. So that's the event where we first started. We had a similar gathering. We had an eminent group of dignitaries at that time, but today my heart is so full, and I'm so delighted to see that the kind of panel and the kind of addresses that you're going to hear are not only from the corporate world but also from the defense personnel. So I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest for the day, Lieutenant General Abhay Krishna sir. Sir, thank you very much for coming here today. And we look forward to listening to your experiences in managing the human resources. And while we were conversing on the way as well, sir said he wants to talk about not only the present, but what the future holds for us as well. So we'd like to listen to your predictions, sir, on cyber security and cyber wars as well. Also, I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Saurabh Verma. So thank you for coming in. So I wish and pray that you become the Hanuman of your Sena, of the organization that you are dealing with, and so that you can follow the theme that we are going to be talking today on, automation to augmentation. I particularly did not touch on that topic because we have a lot of talk which is going to happen on how technology is important, what technology can do for HRM and for the organization, and how human intervention is required to play with that data and to work around that data. So technology needed. At the same time, nobody is going to take away the jobs of human resource management or personnel, because that human wisdom and that human touch will always be required. Technology is a means, not a goal, is what we are going to be discussing. So I hope there is a lot of wisdom during the day, and thank you very much for everybody who joined us today. I look forward to the conversations. Thank you.
Before I begin, I wish to express my deep gratitude to Dr. Vibhu Daman and his entire fraternity who have given me this opportunity and privilege, I will say, and an honor to be present before you today and to share my thoughts and views with you. Now, children, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, good. Very few said yes, sir. Yes, most of them kept quiet. Okay, cheer up, because you see, resistance is one thing which takes you to higher and higher, achieving higher and higher goal. So you have to be very resilient all the time. So it's just been about an hour here. There is many hours still to go. So be tough and resilient and attentive.
I think after that lovely speech by Dr. Sethi, I should have spoken first before you, right? It would have made my job much easier. So unfortunately, apart from the fact that I believe HR is everyone's job, right? And you realize this.